Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to write an upper index in the Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First you have to open up the Google Docs app. And here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just have to select a document that we want to edit. Like this. Then in this document we have to tap on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner to edit it. Then we go into the top row and tap on the letter A with 3 lines next to it. And here we find the x squared in the top row, which means that whatever we write now is going to be in the upper index. So like this, as you can see here. Zoom in. So yeah, and if you want to just turn it off, we can turn it off like this, and then continue our text. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.